Welcome to Queen's world of microforming machines. They are the #1 in Taiwan when it comes to cold forming of tiny, complex fasteners. And today we'll take a closer look at their facilities here, as well as the MF4P, a high-performance cold former.
Every Queen machine undergoes a rigorous inspection process to guarantee the most precise and reliable microforming results. After each assembly step, the experienced staff ensures that all components meet the highest accuracy standards.
The MF4P is a 4-die, 4-punch machine that allows for multi-step forming of complex microparts at an incredibly high production rate. The pneumatic bearing feed mechanism allows for high-precision cutting of blanks with a length between 2 and 25 millimeters. The cutting length can be easily adjusted at any time. After cutting, the wire blanks are transferred to the die center, the heart of a multi-station cold forming machine. The parts gradually take on their eventual shape through different cold forming processes, such as extrusion and upsetting. After the final forming step, the finished parts are automatically separated from any scrap material and transferred to the parts collector. The MF4P is perfect for high-volume production of complex micro-fasteners. And Queen has over 35 years of microforming experience. They can design and set up advanced work cells in your factory. Join Queen's Microworld today.